So, hi, thank you for the opportunity. This is AlphaRead. Actually, the problem that tries to solve is that we are receiving thousands of news every day, and most of them are actually noise. So the app uses an agent in the background. First of all, it uses the CityFalcon API, which brings the feeds for its company. Right now, let's say we have set the app to receive a small number of companies. So it polls the news for these companies. It first goes um, to Haiku, just for a very first text. If something is just noise and not very important, it just passes it. And if it's more important, it goes to a deep analysis. And this is where it uses um, the bright data endpoints. So it goes out on the internet. Also, it uses a classification system that CityFalcon has, DCSC, which also finds like the sector that the company belongs, and like also finds other relevant companies for the news, and sectors that they may be influenced by this specific story. So you see, the way that it works is that there are news coming here, and most of them they are skipped. There are some of them that are flagged as watch, and some of them that they are flagged as deep, and this is where the deeper process starts. So how that looks like, then on the deep process we have some statistics. We have what the market may miss. And let's say if we go to this one, right? We have let's say what are the main points. If it's bullish or bearish, we see what's the primary impact, other sectors that they might be influence, and also like what the market may be missing, because that goes and does some further analysis through the bright data and endpoint, and also tells us why it might be overreacting, and also says like what an analyst could do over the following days and weeks. So that's it. Yeah, thank you.